number 1. Gracing the stage with elegance and creativity, our candidate takes flight in majestic wings, crafted from threaded office paper, layered meticulously to resemble the powerful feathers of an eagle. These stunning wings are brought to life with shades of black and brown, highlighted by regal gold accents, symbolizing strength and ambition.
Thank you, candidate number 1. Let's have candidate number 3. Their deformable wings are made up of used box, enhanced with leftover spray paint, and strengthened and supported with wires.
Thank you, candidate number 3. Let's welcome on stage candidate number 4. The wings of candidate number 4 are elaborately adorned by different color of plastic cellophane with a Philippine flag design.
Thank you, candidate number 4.
Male candidates, starting with candidate number 1. Candidate number 1's wings are made out of various materials, such as disposable spoon, paper plate, carton, paper bag, and styrofoam.
Thank you, candidate number 1. Next in line, we have candidate number 2. In order to create his wings, he used cardboard and decorated it with dried leaves.
Thank you, candidate number 2. Lastly, let us welcome now candidate number 3. The design process It is a creative and symbolic fusion of biblical, angelology, and sustainable materials. The opening with their underworldly vision and divine purpose are an excellent source of inspiration for an ethereal yet structured wings design. By using recyclable cardboard, plastic spoons, cotton, styrofoam balls, and parcel packaging foam, the artistic cleverly combines environmental consciousness with the celestial nature of the opening.
Candidate number 2. Their wings are carefully crafted with plastic bags, cardboard bags, and they are attached together with glue sticks and scotch.
All candidates for their wings attire. Thank you, our female candidates. Thank you, candidates. Their wings is a reminder for all of us